first thing first, we are going to do this two-step first condensed glue gels. And no wipe top coat folding on the top. So I'm go ahead and ooh, let's see where I'm at.
You got it?
Yeah. All right. So here you go. I'm gonna do the center finger. Enough lines is one layer. You know, especially when you're doing on your dominant hand, and make sure you take your time. Just don't be rushed because you're training your right brain. Yeah, because of your left hand.
Right, what comes your left?
So my right brain, no, control my left-handed, right? Or whatever.
Something along that line.
Okay, whatever it is, it's just whatever you do is opposite right now. So just all right, so no wipe top coat. I'm trying really good to not messing it up.
Yep, and just know that she on her non-dominant hand, so that's why it look a little.
It looks like
wouldn't call sloppy, but slower than normal. So if you guys been watching us a lot, you see how fast she can do with her right on whatever else, but left on right is a little different.
but I'm not gonna miss any chance to take care of my nails. Like besides to show you and share with you content, also is a great opportunity for me to get my nails for the show. So I'm so excited. All right, so I'm gonna do the centerpiece right here. Can you see me?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so centerpiece here. It's so interesting. And pick another one. Adjusting it, getting close to the frame, inside the frame right there. And another charm. They all from a crystal kit, which is I'm so excited. It's like you don't have to go anywhere and get anything. It's in your kit. All right, another frame. I have a moon shape. But you can do any colors. I'm just picked this color because it looks complements really well for the dreamy purple. Here you go. Let me check it here. Because I always turn it left. I mean, different angle. This one I'm using from Ultimate Crystal Kit AB. I love this so much. It's perfect for a beginner, nail lover. It have everything you could ask for. Different shape, different filler. Right where I'm at. Maybe one more. I'm holding my breath. I said, oh my God, it's my left hand. Doing it for my right. Not bad at all. Make sure that the heart's not crooked. Because it's a perfect heart. It's not cheeky heart. But also if you cook it, then it looks cute though. I don't know. Does it look crooked to you?
No, that's fine. Right in the middle.
It's funny because I'm afraid of I'm touching it. It might be crooked. I'm going to move it down here. Right. I'm going to call it good. If it messes it, it's going to mess up. All right. Here the camera.